This 2019 Renegade RV Vienna 25 UCB is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade RV is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a vanilla frost interior, sleeps 4, slide out, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features outdoor entertainment, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Renegade RV Vienna 25 UCB is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.